Hey there, dessert enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're someone who craves sweets but is also mindful of their health, you're in for a treat today. We've got a lineup of irresistible low-carb, low-sugar desserts that are as good for your taste buds as they are for your body. Segment 1. Creamy Avocado Lime Popsicles. Let's kick things off with a refreshing twist on the classic popsicle. Creamy Avocado Lime Popsicles. These creamy delights are packed with healthy fats and vibrant flavors. Start by blending ripe avocados, a splash of coconut milk, a squeeze of fresh lime juice, and a natural sugar substitute. Pour the mixture into popsicle molds, freeze, and voila! You've got a guilt-free treat that's perfect for a sunny day. Segment 2. Berrylicious Chia Seed Parfait. Up next, we have a Berrylicious Chia Seed Parfait. Chia seeds are the ultimate superfood, and when combined with layers of mixed berries, they create a dessert that's both visually stunning and incredibly nutritious. Alternate layers of chia pudding, made by mixing chia seeds with almond milk and a touch of vanilla, with a medley of fresh berries. It's a delightful explosion of flavors and textures that won't send your blood sugar soaring. Segment 3. Zesty Lemon Almond Cake. Now, who can resist a good slice of cake? Our Zesty Lemon Almond Cake is a low-carb masterpiece. Almond flour takes center stage, providing a nutty and moist base. We'll sweeten it up with a sugar substitute and a generous amount of zesty lemon zest. The result? A fluffy and flavorful cake that's perfect for satisfying your cake cravings. Segment 4. Decadent Dark Chocolate Mousse. It's time to indulge in some decadent dark chocolate mousse. This velvety smooth dessert is rich in flavor but low in carbs and sugar. Begin by melting dark chocolate with a hint of coconut oil. Whip up some heavy cream until it's light and airy, then fold it into the melted chocolate mixture. Chill the mousse in the fridge until it's set, and you'll have an elegant treat that will impress even the most discerning palate. And there you have it, folks. A roundup of low-carb, low-sugar desserts that prove you don't have to sacrifice taste for health. From popsicles to parfaits and cakes to mousse, these treats are a testament to the fact that a sweet tooth and a healthy lifestyle can indeed coexist. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a mouth-watering update. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, it's all about making mindful choices without compromising on the joy of eating. We'll see you in the next video. Stay sweet and stay healthy.